The next point is the dynamic creative. And this is one simple step, but actually an important one. So it is important to understand what this actually means. Dynamic creative. Provide creative elements so you can later upload videos, pictures, and so on. And Facebook generates a combination of that. So if you have a picture, they are then allowed to change the background or change your picture into a video or the other way around, or use some audio for your ad. So that is a way of automatic optimization here, because if Facebook thinks that this and that song might improve the performance, that is good, or that another background color would be nice, then this is of course good. But if you have like clear guidelines, for example, you are a company and you have one main brand color, which is some kind of green, and now you activate that here, then they are allowed to change your green background into a red background maybe. This wouldn't be fitting then for your brand. Of course, this is an extreme example, but still, they could do that. So it's rather risky when you think about branding and when you think about how you want to be seen as a brand to use this here. If you click here on Learn More, you will also see what they can do. Applying minor image enhancements, so they could change minor things on your image. They can crop your image or video. So maybe then your logo is not even on the picture anymore because they simply crop it. Expanding an image by filling the background with matching colors. As I said, applying a template to your creative elements for stories. Creating a stories carousel ad based on a single image or headline. That is actually nice, but yeah, as I said, the other things are not so good. Playback speed for videos without sound. Creating videos from images. So if you have, let's say, 5 images, they could combine them and make a video out of it. Swapping text between fields. This is okay. But if you have a primary text and a headline, which we'll see later on the ad level, they could switch that. It could be nice, but could also be not so fitting. Select sounds based on your ad's content as well. Maybe I don't want songs, but then they are allowed to use them. So it's a nice way to optimize your campaign. But if you have any guidelines or rules, maybe you have a disclaimer on your picture or in your video, then of course there is a risk that this disclaimer will get cropped because of whatever. So it's risky to use it if you have high or very strict rules. If not, you can use it, okay? So it's, as I said, rather complex or a bit more than it might sound. It could improve your performance, but it could also lead to the point where your content doesn't look like your content anymore or looks not the way you want it to look like, okay? So an optimization you should know about, but to be honest, I don't use that at all, so I will turn it off now.